Let's see the code for Chapter 12 in operation. Here is a circuit that meets the requirements. We have two LEDs, we have a potentiometer connected to an ADS1115 ADC, and a push button. I'll run version 1 of the code and demonstrate how this works. Now my potentiometer is set to about the middle, so our LEDs start blinking at a rate of 2.5 seconds. As I turn the potentiometer, it will change the rate of the first LED, and the second LED remains the same. When I push the button, notice on the screen, our potentiometer is now controlling LED 2. So when I change the potentiometer here, it's the rate of that LED that we change. So we can see there that they are blinking at different rates. Now if I push and hold the button, we will synchronize the two LEDs. And they now blink in unison. Okay, if you're up for the challenge of trying to build this circuit and see how you go creating a code solution, all the best and good luck.